welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shaddie B, and today we are in the beautiful parish of St. James. So we're actually on location at the Harmony Beach Park, newly renovated, newly built, like everything fresh. Guys, it's really nice. The property is my first time being here because I always just drive past. So stay tuned to the vlog. It's gonna be epic, as you don't know. I know it's been a long time I haven't posted, but your girl is back. Your girl is back.
What would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just
Alright, so information about this park is $200 per car per hour. If you're spending the whole day, it's just $700 per car. If you're walking in, it's totally free. If you want to use the floating water park, it's only $1,000 per hour. It looks fun. Unfortunately, we don't have the time to do that right now. But guys, this park, so far I've seen persons taking professional photos. Persons are jogging. Persons are having their birthday picnics. Like, it's really nice. It's basically giving Emancipation Park vibes times 10. Because you know Emancipation Park, I'm the white sand and a beach for you to check up, you know, and do a little swim. It's much bigger. As I said, they have parking for those who drive, and it's a lot of space, and it's Sunday morning. It's not crowded at all.
What would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just can't do it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side. And it's okay for you. Take a day or two. Get your mind together. Sing it with me. Say, oh, to Jesus I surrender.
So we're getting some ice cream. Mom is excited. Yes, I am.
I'm in awe. Oh my God, you amaze me. You're the bomb, and I just be setting the stage. So let me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in a daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the mic, but
what flavors are you guys getting? I'm getting pistachio. Mom want Devon Stout.
The serious people know about Devon Stout say Devon Stout and anything.
Y'all getting Devon Stout?
Don't follow me.
I don't want that.
Stick to your...
Cause I know it ain't the power or the mic, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it. And I can't command my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing. And your heart is in the wrong place, so is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus I
Alright guys, so we'll get with ice cream. Oh yeah! But the sun hot.
Oh no!
In there so cool though. Very cool. So they're actually having Mobe reggae nights. But we won't be here. Alright guys, so if you're not convinced as yet as to why, you should definitely go and check out Harmony Beach Park located in Montego Bay. I'm just gonna highlight a few features of the property. Let's start off with the restrooms. There are numerous restrooms located across the property because, as you realize, the property big.
Like I know when I don't walk out, the whole of the property.
They were well cleaned, spacious, and well stocked. Also, in addition to restrooms, they had changing rooms.
Because as I see the lovely beach that was there, they have the facility to facilitate you enjoying yourself and having a grand time.
There were also lockers to ensure that your personal items were safe. They also had hand wash stations, which I thought were very essential because, you know, we're still living in a pandemic era. So that was definitely a bonus.
So whoever eats, yeah.
Of course, they have you covered. There were food places along the property, so you don't have to go outside. They had different shops, like as you can see in the video. 3 of them were open when we went, and so I'm sure you can find something to eat.
And if you are a picky eater, like some of my friends, you can just simply go across the road over to the plaza where you have KFC and Pizza Hut right there sitting in the middle of the town.
Alright, guys, they also had a basketball court for my fellow basketball players like myself. Bet you never know some play basketball. Y'all gotta catch me on the court, guys. They also had a play area for the children, seesaw, swing song, jungle gym, you name it, they had it. Well, what you see in the video is what they had. Disclaimer. So nobody gonna name something like roller coaster. You never seen a roller coaster. So guys, if you're in Montego Bay or if you're passing by, definitely worth the checkout. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, we're on our way to 2,000 subscribers, and with your help, I know we can get there very soon. So let's go. Peace.